Let me show you one of those "why didn't I do it sooner" kind of garden upgrades. This is the GARDENA 5-piece premium metal quick connect hose fitting kit, and it makes switching between watering tools so much easier without the messy spray. My favorite part is the automatic water stop. So when you disconnect something like a sprinkler or a spray nozzle, the water stops instantly. No surprise blast of water, no running back to the spigot, and no getting soaked just because you want to swap tools. Then the second you click on your next accessory, the water flow starts right back up. And can we talk about the build quality? These are metal connectors, so they feel sturdy in your hand, and they're made to handle repeat use without leaking. This is the kind of thing you put on once, and then you're not fussing with it every single weekend. I also really like the grooved grip. Even if your hands are wet, or you've got sunscreen on them, or garden soap on them, or who knows what, you can still get a secure hold and make quick changes without struggling. It works with 1/2-inch or 5/8-inch hoses, and it's designed to connect with standard North American fittings, so you can use it with your usual nozzle and sprinklers. Home sweet home tip. Little upgrades like this make outdoor routines feel smoother, and you'll actually enjoy watering again. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Boom, dry as a bone. That's what people want to see. Is it going to